Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel with Foreign Tracker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry banana with milk smoothie. The difference in this video is I'm actually using the fresh strawberries instead of the strawberry juice that I have used in my other videos. So that's the only difference, and the milk that I'll be using. And so that's all this video is going to be about. And I hope you can make this yourself. So let's just dive right in and see how I can put all this together and see how it tastes like. This is the experiment channel, so let's start making some experiments. I will see you right back here. Alright, so I have some strawberries that I'll be using for the smoothie, and then we are just going to use one banana today, and we're going to add it with some milk. So I'm going to take the skin off of the bananas, and then just remember to take all these strings out. I always make sure I don't have any strings in my banana. Just going to put this in the blender, or you can just cut it. Alright, and now I'm just gonna take all these, clean it up, and then just cut these strawberries. So fresh. Like I said, I cannot eat fresh strawberries like this just because of all these little seeds that are on the skin. Does not agree with my stomach, so I try to just make the juice out of the strawberry and rather use the juice to blend smoothies or add it to something else. But today, for the sake of this video, I want to make this and for you to see how it comes out. I think that it's enough strawberries that we can add to that. Okay, so that is done. I am going to add the milk. Just wash my hands quickly. Alright, so now that we can see how much we have in here, that is just for a single serve. I mean, you can double this, just use like 4 or 5 strawberries, or if you are a strawberry person, you can add more as you wish, but that is optional. For me, since I cannot eat it fresh like that, I don't want to add too much to it. So I am going to pour like 1 glass of milk, or like 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to add this to the strawberry and the banana. And then we're just going to blend this and see how it comes out. Okay, so oh wow, this has come out nicely. And since I want to enjoy this smoothie, what I want to do is I am going to strain this so that I can catch all the seeds out of the strawberry, because I cannot just drink this like that. And I want to tell you how the taste comes out. But if you do not have any issue with strawberries, then you can just drink this like this. But since for me, I am going to strain this first so we can take all this, the seed will not be in the smoothie for me. So let me show you how I'm going to do this right now. Alright, so I am going to strain this. Oh my wow. You can see how much I'm going to strain this, so I'll be able to enjoy this smoothie. And you can do the same if you think that the seed is causing some issue in your tummy. You can always enjoy this. So instead of using just the strawberry juice and using it for the smoothie, you can just blend everything together and just sieve it out. Well, as you can see all the seed, all that is just stuck here. It's not in the smoothie for me. You can see the skins of the strawberry and also the seed, and I can feel the seed in here. Alright, now that is done, I am just going to pour this in right here. And look at the texture, smoothie and creamy. And I'm just going to garnish this with this little strawberry here, and our strawberry smoothie with milk is ready. And we're going to give it a taste and see how this comes out. Alright, so this is the finished product of our smoothie, the strawberry banana with milk smoothie that we just made. Since I told you I can't eat fresh strawberries like this because of the little seeds, that doesn't agree with my stomach. So sometimes I get the juice from the strawberry and use the juice to blend my smoothies. But today I want to try just blending the fresh strawberry with the milk and the banana and see how it comes out. So after I blend it, I sieve it. I use a strainer to strain this whole smoothie, so then I can capture a lot of the seed out of this before I can taste it. So there's not going to be too much of any seed in here. There might be 1 or 2 in here, but it's not going to be too much. So that's what I did. So you can do that as well if that will help you. So now I'm going to give it a taste and see how this comes out. It's good. I taste just a little bit of a little tiny seed on my tongue, but that is nothing compared to just leaving everything in there. I taste the strawberry, the banana, and then the milk. The taste is so light. It's so light, and it has a little tangy aftertaste to it. After you drink it, you feel that tanginess in it, but it is sweet. We didn't add any sweetness or anything to it. It's the banana and the strawberries give it the sweetness to it. When I make my smoothie, I don't like to add anything else. I want everything fresh the way it is. I don't add any more sweetness or maybe honey or anything like that. But that is your choice. You can use ice for this. I don't like ice, so I did not add ice to it, but you can add ice. It is an optional to you. You can use a different juice instead of the milk, and I did some videos about strawberry juice with banana smoothie. There's another video that you can watch that to see how I made that. But you can make anyhow you want to make this smoothie. That is up to you. You can be creative. That's what I do. I create my own smoothie. So this is my own thinking of how can I incorporate this, how can I make this my own so I can enjoy it. So that's how this came out. So if you want to try it. You don't need to strain this if you don't have any issue with strawberries or any seed eating issues. Then just go ahead and drink it straight up once you blend it. But if you have issues like that, then strain it. If you can't take the juice, make the juice from the strawberry, then just blend everything together and strain it out, and that way you can still enjoy the strawberries. That's a little tip over there for you. And as always, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, share, comment, and like. And also, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.